I live 40 minutes away and I have tons of dentists around me, but I still made the decision to come to Houck Dental Care because their quality is excellent all the time. I got to know a lot of the doctors because I'm an IT consultant for them, and I got to really know how the staff worked together, and I really noticed that they're really like a family. And I didn't really have a dentist at the time, and I decided, I'm just gonna give it a shot, and I'm gonna try these guys out. Ever since I started going to him 2 years ago, it's been a great experience. When I walk in, I don't have to actually wait. They're actually waiting for me. The doctors really take their time with you. The staff really make you feel a part of the family. They ask about your own personal family, and they actually remember. So when I walk in 6 months later, they'll ask me how my wife's doing and an ailment that she had. And I'm like, wow, I don't even remember that. But you do. I think my favorite part of the practice is that just the atmosphere. I can just see that they have fun and they love what they do. There was one occasion that they had a birthday party, and they invited me right along to join them. It was quite interesting. I mean, just to see how they interact as a staff. It was pretty awesome to be a part of that. They put a little funny hat on me. It's a hat that they put on children, and it was funny. Unlike some dental offices, Houck provides a full range of services, from general dentistry to orthodontic, periodontic. They do implants. It makes me feel comfortable knowing that I don't have to go see another doctor. I know I'm going to have a doctor I trust.